Hello guys, and welcome back to my video. And in this video I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to stake your Fuse tokens. So first of all, you can always get Fuse token on the MEX exchange, which is spelled MESC, MEX exchange. You convert your tokens from there and then you send it to your MetaMask. So I like using my MetaMask browser to connect stuff like this. So I will just copy the link on the staking site and then I go to my MetaMask. When I go to my MetaMask, I will impute my password. So this is correct. Impute my password. It's loading there like this. Okay, finally I impute my password and then I go to the MetaMask search engine here, this down menu below, that's the fourth menu. I go to my MetaMask and I open a new Windows on my MetaMask. Open a new window. I think everything is just lagging because of the network, but I hope you guys are getting it. I will send the link I just copied on my browser, and then same thing appears. So for easy access sake, I will make sure I put this link below the video. So when you're here, you can directly connect your wallet to, since I'm on MetaMask, I connect to MetaMask. So you connect, and they said you need to switch to Fuse, so you switch to Fuse network. So you approve the network in your MetaMask, and then Fuse network has been added automatically, and then and your device, your wallet is being connected. So if you look at the top side of this, you would see your address popping out. So that's to indicate that you have been, you've connected to the staking site on the Fuse network. There are other means of trying to obtain the Fuse network, where you can go ahead to import the what is it called, the RPC informations and the Fuse domain name on MetaMask, and then the network would pop up. That's another way of doing that. I'll also drop a link on how to add Fuse network to MetaMask. That's another method of doing that. So when you've done this, you must have already sent in some tokens, Fuse tokens, into your wallet address. I already staked mine, so I really don't have tokens here on my wallet. But when you have done that, another thing you have to do is you go down and search for good validators with good validator scores and good interest rate. And when I see stuff like 92 and 100 uptime, I don't 100% uptime, I don't follow up those ones. I follow up something that's around 80, that's still there. So exactly, this was the one I actually staked on, which is the TRCG2 with 89.63% uptime and with 15% commission, which is a very nice validator to stake your name tokens on. So when you click on this, it takes you here where you can just put in maybe 500 Fuse token. So when you impute 500 Fuse token, you click on stake. So now when you click on stake, it will take you to exactly this place where you can now confirm, and automatically when you confirm, you have stake. But since I don't have Fuse token here, that is why this confirm button is not popping up at the moment. So basically that is how to stake your Fuse token, and then you can always go back and search for to confirm that you have actually staked your Fuse token. You can always go back to the Explorer. That's the Fuse Explorer. I would also drop the link below, and search your address. So when you search, by the time you search your address on the Fuse Explorer, that is explorer.fuse.io. So okay, let me see if I can do that here so we can all get what I'm trying to say. So I could just go back home and copy my address, and then go back to my browser. Sorry for that. And search for what's it called. Oh, my hand has touched something else. And search for fuse.io. Let's not forget, I would also drop the links, sorry, Explorer rather. Explorer dot fuse dot io. So you push and it goes. So immediately you search your address. I think I'll search the actual address I used for staking, so you would see what I'm talking about. But when you search for this, because this is not the address I use anyways for staking, when you search, you would see the details of what is in the details of what is in the address. So currently this particular address of mine has 0 tokens, no transactions on Fuse tokens, and nothing like that pertaining to Fuse. But I will search it. I will do this search again with the address I have actually. I will do this with the address I actually staked with, so you would see what I'm talking about when you put it in the Explorer, just to confirm that, oh yes, you have actually, the transaction went successfully. So this is it. You click and you search again. Okay, let's just give it some time. It's still loading. Okay, and then now you see gas used was 559 Fuse token, and everything there, my current balance, everything will just show up. So this is a confirmation that you actually have successfully staked your name token. So thank you guys, and we'll see in my next video on how to bridge in with the Fuse network.